Alright guys, what's going on? So as you can see, new truck. So the update with the white truck is that it was found. It was taken from me last Monday night, and it was found on the Thursday. It was either Thursday or Friday morning, but this is the week after that. And so basically what happened is they ran it out of oil and they seized the motor. So it was basically a complete waste. The interior was all trashed, oil everywhere. So yesterday I had been paying storage on it, 16 bucks a day. And so yesterday I went up and basically ripped all the parts out that I wanted. So like the tires, I took the rad from it. So yeah, so that sucks, but stuff happens. It's time to move on. And so I got this thing. I got a 1990 F-150 302 automatic, two-wheel drive. It's pretty basic, but super clean. Interior's awesome. I just got to work out some wiring here with the, because I pulled the speakers out of the truck too, out of the white truck. So I'm gonna put the new speakers in today. The right speaker keeps cutting out. It keeps saying failure on the dash. So I don't know if it's just blown or if there's some bad wiring on the deck. So I'm gonna look into that. Just got the cover here for covering this all up. And yeah, so that's that. There's really no problems with it other than it leaks oil. Or like it's okay, it's got 186,000 kilometers, all original, so I don't know how many miles that is. That's like maybe 100,000 miles, 110,000 miles, something like that. Completely stock, like new. It's a brand new oil pan, brand new, like the engine's all been resealed, brakes have all been overhauled, new ball joints. I don't know, it's like zero rust at all. The paint is absolutely mint. It's been repainted and it looks awesome. I got it for 2,500 bucks. But it's two-wheel drive and I was kind of already regretting it, but we'll see. I really need to sell all the parts that I have sitting in the garage, like all the lift kits for the two-wheel drive Chev. I really need to sell that. I've got a body lift for the F-150. I need to sell that. I need to sell the wheel adapters for the 97 to 03 F-150. And yeah, I've just got a bunch of stuff, and now I've got even more parts because all those parts I took out of the white truck. So I'm just hoping to make some money back. So I'm gonna keep this until I do all that. And yeah, so today I'm just gonna clean this thing up a bit. It needs a vacuum, and I can get some of the wiring out, and I'll put the new speakers in and hope I can figure out what's going on with the right side speaker here. But both tanks work. Yeah, I don't know. It depends if I want to keep this and lift this, because they make 6-inch lifts for this, like suspension lifts, and then you can put a body lift on them too, make them sit like a 4x4. It's the exact same suspension, literally the exact same front ends as the 4x4s, like the twin I-beam. It's literally the exact same without the all the stuff in the front. So yeah, they make 6-inch. I think it's 600 bucks US, which sucks because that I would be all over that, but I think it turns out to be like $1,000 Canadian, and then tires and all that stuff, obviously. So I don't know if I want to put money into this or not. It's like stupid good shape, so we'll see. So I just wanted to give an update on that. It sucks what happens with the white Ford, but I'll move on. I'll get something else. So I'm gonna see if I can get these speakers working and clean this up a bit. Took off this door panel. This needs to be reattached, so I'm gonna need to drill a screw in through the bottom there, but and then probably one through there. But I was taking apart these wiring at the back, and these were all just electrical taped together. But what I think was happening is that they were touching each other, like, so they would just keep grounding out on the right side. I don't know which is which, but I'm gonna redo all the wiring. So yeah, like this, like that's fine, it's whatever. But it just seemed like they could have been touching and grounding each other out. So I'm gonna redo that little set of wires there, and see if I can get this tombstone back, or not the tombstone, but the cover back together. And then, yeah, reattach that door panel, and hopefully it works. Redid all the wires, or those 2 wires, and both speakers work. It didn't say failure, but it's kind of hard to tell, because sometimes it would be working, and then other times when I started it up, it would just do failure right away. So I guess only time will tell if that was the problem, but I'm pretty sure that they were just grounding out on each other, because there was definitely some bare wires. So yeah, I just need to throw a little bit more electrical tape on here, and then I'll see if I can piece this thing back together. It ended up actually being the connections on the back side of this. They kept grounding out on the door, so I just heat shrink them, and hopefully I won't have that problem anymore. So I figured out the speaker, got this all pieced together. Door panels attached nicely, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna vacuum all this out and, I don't know, clean it up in here. Maybe wash the outside. Pretty dirty outside. Oh, my little aux cable. Yeah, so I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this one, but there's probably not gonna be too much of a build on it unless I sell all my parts and I decide I want to keep this thing. Then I'll lift it and throw wheels on it, and then I'll start a build. But I don't know, kind of want a 92 to 96 truck, so this will probably just get me by until I sell all my parts. All right, so just finished washing it, vacuumed it, it's all cleaned up. I'm just gonna throw some tire shine on it, but it looks really good. Interior is all complete, obviously. I shined up the engine bay, and I'll throw some more shine on it after this is all dry. But she runs good. Thanks for watching. It sucks what happens to the white IDI, but oh well.